Hello and welcome. In this video, we will review the best air fryer product in the market in 2022. Click the product link in the description box below for more details. The GoWISE USA GW44800 Deluxe. 12.7 quarts of cooking space makes this air fryer one of the largest on the market, while still being compact enough to fit easily on your countertop. It has 3 rack levels which allow you to prepare family-sized quantities, or control how fast and how crispy your food cooks. You can prepare whole roasts, tenderloins, racks of kebabs, and even a whole chicken. Get crispy, tender meats, perfectly blackened fish, and expertly roasted vegetables with the GoWISE air fryer oven's built-in rotisserie. It's fast, easy, and you'll love it. It comes with 10 accessories, everything you'll need to make a homemade meal with ease. Accessories include a rotisserie tong, rotisserie rod, oven rack, drip pan, skewer rotisserie, rotisserie cage, rotisserie steak cage, shallow mesh basket, and 2 mesh trays. Specification: capacity 12.7. Timer 60 minutes. Presets 15 watts 1600. Temperature range 120 to 430 Fahrenheit. Please subscribe to our channel for more free and outstanding videos, and thanks for watching.